Ever wondered how to get into an industry which offers multiple job opportunities with unlimited growth? There are students who have done many courses but are still sitting unemployed. The fact is, you don't get a job on demand, but you need to make yourself ready with the right training on the required skills. This unique positioning will help you to achieve your goals with confidence. Aviation and tourism industry generates millions of jobs every year across the world, but only for the people who are industry ready. Our students like Deepak, Yogesh, Sushmita and Avni have started a career in just 10 months along with 800 plus students by following our training formula. I will be doing a webinar where I will be sharing more details about this magic formula and how you can also prepare yourself to start a career in just 10 months. So if you have just given your 12th exam or have just finished your graduation or still studying in college, this is the webinar you need to be in. Please click on the link below and register yourself for our next webinar, and I will see you live in the webinar. Thank you. Until then, bye-bye.